address.
You have working.
I know.
Very briefly. Yes.
When I say you
are presenting.
no, they are presenting. It's okay. So that you can you feel so
my chief. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. The one. I live with the Maron call. So even if some child with ya, they have no one. So they can go to no. Okwani could say Igbo Kinde, Ibeko Oparukude, Ibeka Agade, Ibeko Sandokwa, so Inam Anabia, Nanga Igbo King, Abe Igbo King Bareka, and then I saw the sign the main gym today. Aba afọ nnara anyị na-ebe bụ odogwu igwe ezu ndị sonyi anyị dị na afọ anyị bụrụ ọjị kete ele ka ọ dị anyị bụrụ mkpụrụ ọjị nọ na-ebe anyị shiwo mmadụ shi fedike Ebise ọhụrụ pa ihe tụkwasị anyị kwesịrị nnu onye sokara gị bụ boy ogu so nweshiwo boy ogu
Onye egwu ka ọ bụ. Okay. Nnadị Ngozi gida.
onye
kumbo.
na ọkụsọ aka dịkọrọ Spirit Almighty, so much you Egise, which is not to Pasha. Menumbo, Kisly or Chonobo, when you're bidding, when you're bidding, or the video not very sudden. We will worship Egise, Jina, Aquade, Sadan, 4-9, let me figure Okwuani, when I go on Odogwabi, Osajaje, Ndikomo Tofi, Ndikomo Aje, Ndikomo Tofi, Ikolobi Shushu, onye na fake be, ndembo to do it, they don't teach akwa. They don't call you, onye ni sele, shego na kwebe.
Occupation is different. Ọ̀sàrọ̀ ní ajá jẹ́ kìlẹ̀ náà tó ayé ìgbò ní láyé márùn ilé bò márùn jáwé yọ̀ọ̀tì gbogbo ọdẹ ní ìṣòro mẹ́rin Nnamdi Opone, former head of the Department of History and International Studies and the chairman academic staff union of universities, Delta State University. Ya kumari moto na yani osi ko si janu ma le onumelo cheri ojo no o pade ko na sojo wa mata aye ke je mo ba onu si ifuru de meli soje wo.
Thank you, sir.
So first of all, thank
you, sir.
And I can't really so well. Now you like it, but I can't go on my say as a prophet.
Wow.
And you well.
Yes.
So we can know.
Yes.
Ishamu kwa Kenya. Yes. Bika ka Kenya.
I think mama.
Yeah. But say I remember. Yeah. Ishamu okay, no. Was so ke bubu a Ishamu account. Yes. Ayabia.
Yes.
I'm machine chief for the
Chief, I'll say, Manu is really done our ball.
Yes.
Yago can you chief.
Yes.
Nobody now.
Yes.
And you give it.
Yes, sir.
Need you to tell
Yes. I'll do it. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. I know for you. Wow. Because we go for like cherry kunjere someone in the niche or no, I never Sandro.
If you change to the God and the day, we say a man of us, a rebel pharmacy, and the chief of never again. So, no, I'm not going
si fe na anyị nọ na-achọ n'ụchọ anyị anyị ọgba na anyị nọbụrụ isie onye na-achọ anyị dị ka ọkpụkpụ dị n'igige ya na-egwu n'elu onye nwere na onye ebe akwụrụ ere na-adị na-ebele ya na kwuru onye elu ifela aka anyị ụkọ bụ emo ifela aka anyị ụkọ ma ọnwụ chukwu demede n'ihi demosa anyị nchadebe ụmụ anyị adị olubere oge anya ere na na-agwa asọ ebe ka agwụbụsa ife ere mkpọrọ n'ọnụ isiọba onye ka ngwa sọjọ ní anwa ọjị na ma dị kwuo mmadụ ukwu
ihe mgbali ofu na
made kunwa to
kabo nwere ọjị a ọjị a na-ajụ ma o were question na-ajụ gosi
the moment authorities transfer to you
jeka bawa ebe na ebe dị bụ my fellow ndị na-asọ bịa. There is a very good example, a foundation for the Ukwuani people that we just placed for us on table. Thank God that I can do it. Yeah, it done. Nimo Ukwuani, a big demonstration of the sanity of the throne of elders in Ukwuani. Yeah. And that is what they demonstrate in assumption now. But you can say, Odugbo and University, Amaro in Igbo, but what's on the that's the bullshit, no Kwani. Obviously, Canelo, Imus, then when you get in bo Oparuku. Obiani bullshit in there so because Oparuku for onye Bukoronoke. Now, Oparuku will only say, Wako Bumeka. Now, Obiabusi, Oparuku can refer. No, a Marolo to it. Can they refer? Can they? Obiabusi, get all the case of Kemeweni. Maro Nebe. Amaro Neboke. Iva. But one Maro Nebe man. Only Bukoroke. Where they saw Bukoroke. Oparuku. Only Kadebulu Bumeka. The man what I don't know, can I tell you? Only never the question when watching an audition. Or the question when game of Marshall sit in Kushim 74. Kelly Shaw, I did no shock. Oh, you know what that's a shock. You have me. What do you say? Lord, the way Yadi will be there or not. Kelly Nadik so what? It can be. It will not. I feel if we were cautious traditional beauty. I make way a Ukwuani marry say Ukwuani the Conade saw Oparuku. Ukwuani Badu Kete. Omenani Chukwokike Demeni Neni. Omenani Weji na Chiani as Ukwuani as Igbo. Kani Kudokoni Nebani Chojeni one marani, can you for one marani? Upon school or Jenny, oshine ye bedemi no menani Ukwuani no paruku nwe no do a onye obuna no na ike oparuku ogbo ni mo Ukwuani onye obuna no na ike ada ogbo ni mo Ukwuani chare because nde mare ni odina no Ukwuani dawo nna ma aje shegora egbebenu shegora egbebenu
So, isi mo guna.
Onye na kwa.
Yes. Chief. Chief ga-eti ya mụ ahụ chief ọchịkọrọ ibe ọnụ onye akụmatụ ụmụ ọchaka ihe anyị ji bido ọlụ efu ozi a efu anyị na-eje ọ nwere ịkpọrọ m na-ese mbaba anyị etete m one day wee picture wa Nigeria n'eche ọnọdụ Nigeria dị isiokwu bụ na ọnọdụ anyị nwa bụ ndị na-asụ bịa nọ na Nigeria adịrọ mma, and the only way to get out of that situation bụ ijikọ onwe anyị ọnụ, nwee political, economic and traditional affiliation within ourselves. We can now stand out as a people. For example, Delta North, Christina Emenwanne, let me leave Anambra, let me leave Igbo. Delta North, Christina Emenwanne, but because the Delta, Kwale, Nemenkefa, Ndieka, Nemenkefa, ndị enu anụ ndị anọcha na-eme nkefa. About saying Ukwuani is a distinct
distinct
tribe. Ikabunka. No, saying Abu tribe. I caught somebody and said, let me tell you, go to the north today. What is giving the northerners the power they have today in politics and in governance is because of the unity, which is not even unity, but it's a deceptive way, because within themselves they find themselves, but when they come before Nigeria, they become one. If you go to the north, if you go inside of, they disagree in-house, but if they come appear to Nigeria, they become one. That has stand them out among every other ethnic nationality in Nigeria. Because even in northern Nigeria, enwe TV, enwe Idoma, enwe Fufude, who are the Fulanis, enwe Hausa, many of them, Gwari and all of them, they are there. They don't speak the same language. I'm not talking about dialects. But when you come to Delta North, onye Ukwuani na-ekwu okwu anụmanụ ife ọ na-ekwu ya bụ na masụ na otu o si atụ nke ya na-ekwu nke maazụ ya akụmazụ ihe anụtụ ọ dị difficult mụ na gị nọrọ were ọnụ be anyị lee gị ọ dịrọ possible. That shows we are one. Now you look at our traditional cultural values, those things that define us as a people. We have the trait, we have the same quality, no different. Why are we denying ourselves? As it stands today in Nigeria, if you hear the word Igbo, who is Igbo? Or when that name? I told somebody, say, if you come to Ikana, no family will stand up and claim that ancestry. But that name has been there to unite us. I know there was a time I but as it stands today now, I look at that and say, well, we are just killing ourselves. Then we started the journey to bring ourselves together so that we can see how we can be useful, and stand out as well as Nigeria the concern. Because on carry for Kanye, Ekechanke for the Chrome manager. So I bid to an abundant social cultural organization. But I'm an Igbo, only one about also. So when I be out the answer, so that means you are involved in what we are doing. I silence go to that word Igbo. Western then also they are come. Why we are gathering ourselves. So now you've received our letter. They recommend the go and
with what has played out here, that you are even more than what they say you are. You know, I rate people with humility, with a humbleness, and I don't rate people with equal work. If you see somebody who is what they say he or she is, here for that humility, here for that humbleness, here for that meekness, because meekness is not a sign of weakness, but it's a sign of somebody that has conquered so many things. You know, thank you, sir. Ebene idea, Isaac, I will give invitation now. Can you pass the way?
Physical.
Thank you. Yeah, hopefully, I will achieve any privilege. I think it 29 and 30th of August. Only because we are having you that 2 days, sir. If you come in 28th evening, we give you your residential villa where you stay throughout the program and work. Now, we did not give you later. Only 2 later question, and one I go. The question you get a guest speaker. Second one question, we are going to give you a recognition the second day. Hey, you give recognition. We deserve and merited recognition. And by a reason. So we don't. I want to get a chief. We are fine. We wouldn't be so good. We are fine. So that it will go. Careful if you were to do that all. Power. Thank you so much for accepting us. Isaac, I better be able. I know which day I know. By the on Sunday I was in Port Harcourt. I left Port Harcourt after 10:30 in Calgary. I get to Anambra around 10 minutes after 2 a.m. In that moment, I slept 38 left to Enugu. Enugu, I met one young guy, man by age. White see you from that at this age. The guy said, okay, I said, this, I don't have money, but I'm going to put in 3 million for this program. I'm going to give you 6 computer highest boss. EAG convey people. EAG different places there. Use it for that period of your program. If we are about small thing. So much of another one. It is not in our agenda. Abiana, this institution, I know that we have cultural groups. Like the Igbo cultural groups and others. If I ask now, I did too much. Maybe with your own destiny, even if it's 2 boss, we send to them. Okay. Okay. The people who are targeting is Ndenasobia, which is Kwale, the Igbo, the cats and all that. They don't really have boss. The boss will take care of their whatsoever they face in Asaba. Kabolo challenge. We will arrange for accommodation. Because why did when they seeking for that now? These are the generation that will spread the news. We want them. Otherwise impossible. We're so glad. Thank you so much, sir.
The office of the King of Students. To get the contacts. Or I can call the SUG president. Okay. Yeah, that is just yeah. No, we have different cultural groups. Ukwuani, Federal Union of Local Students, and also the cultural group, the CAP. Those are the ones. Okay,
these 3 groups, we can give them one boss.
Yes.
Abia on a different uniform.
Yeah.
No problem. Only possible.
We'll see how. There's also this. I'm going to platform. There's this guy contesting for an normal students union association. We will have the
so my mom only do the one thing.